Hey guys, Chef Anthony here. I'm at Linden Creek Farm, man. These guys are 4th generation farmers, man. I am so excited to be here. They've been doing this since the 1920s. They're gonna actually show me the ropes here and hopefully, you know, I'll milk a couple dairy cows. Woo! Woo! Cheers. Can I get a little mustache? Yeah, a little bit, man. I feel it now. Like, I can't wait to see what magic I'm gonna make with this amazing milk here. All right, everybody, we're gonna take a pit stop right before this. We're gonna go to Blackberry Meadows farm. We're gonna check out all the cool stuff they have to offer and kind of figure out what they do here. This is the closest I've been to a real turkey.
You should touch it.
Can I touch it? Shut up. Wow. Made a new friend here today, buddy for life. Okay, everyone, fresh back from Linden Creek Dairy and Blackberry Meadows Farm. It lined up for Thanksgiving for me. We have our mac here done with the Linden Creek curd and the milk. Right side, the chorizo from Blackberry Meadows Farm and the turkey. It looks amazing and topped off with the bacon. Make this one at home. I'm diving into it.